Good morning. Today we're going to be working on a 2009 Sportster. I want to replace this chrome riser. It's all, as you can see, they're notorious for this peeling and getting all ugly. I found a new one on eBay for $25. What we're going to do is just replace this nice one for the one that's tarnished and chrome is peeling. Alright, with my 1/2-inch ratchet, 3/4 inch socket, let's get it on this riser bolt. We'll start loosening that. I'm going to remove this one totally. On these tight spots. We should have that. Alright, that's that. With that, I'm going to turn the wheel. And we're going to remove this chrome cover. Just be patient. This is done with a Torx 25. Just take your time. We want to remove this case cover, and that's what protects your wires. All right. It's notorious for these Sportsters for the front chrome to peel. $25 on eBay. I bought a used one. It looks great. And this is what covers and protects your wires. I'm going to put this aside, clean it. Now what we want to do is put a blanket on the gas tank. All right, here's this 3/4 bolt over here. Now I'm going to remove these 1/4 inch Allen heads. I'm going to remove the 2 bottoms first. This will free up the top from your riser. Careful, you don't want nothing to fall. Now this was our piece, as you can see. Now I'm going to get the new one. Here's the new one. eBay, $25. You can't go wrong. This is how it came. Usually $60, $70, but if you keep an eye, they'll come up. Now let's try to put this in. Get it started. There we go.
should go in easy. You'll see your wires, everything. It's not a problem. I'm gonna tighten this down. Snug them up. Don't get crazy. We're gonna have to adjust them. All right, we have our riser on there. Now let's get our 3/4 inch bolt. Put it through the bottom. It's a good time now to clean up everything. Got that started. Now we'll just tighten up this one. Nice, and take your time. You don't want to be hitting the chrome. eBay is a great source for some of these chrome pieces. Nice. Now you're able to turn that, and we'll go to the other side. Bolt, ready to go. Bring these handlebars up a little bit. Now we can take your time. Hard part's over with. This ratchet wrench, lifesaver. Oh, this front's looking gorgeous. And this will work on all Sportsters. Just get the right replacement part. take the 1/2 inch bar now. Remember the brake line. All right, just make sure everything's nice and tight. Watch your tank. That's tight. All right, put it in. You'll see, as long as this rests on the bottom, just get in there, you'll see. Everything will be just the way it was when you took it apart. There we go. Move the wires around. If this is resting on the bottom, these screws will go right in place. Don't get no easier. And these are T20